What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to disable facial animation in the new Roblox Dynamic Head update. If your avatar's face is moving or looks weird, this will fix it. Let's get started. Open Roblox. Click on your avatar. Then click Edit Avatar. Go to the Body tab and select Head. Here you'll see your avatar is using the new Dynamic Head. Now look to the right side under your avatar. Click the small button and choose Head Adjustment. On the left side, you'll see a facial animation toggle. Just switch it off. And that's it. Your face will stop moving. Now let's do it on browser. Open the Roblox website. Click your avatar icon. Then click Edit Avatar. Go to Head and Body, scroll down, and click on the Heads tab. You'll see your current head, like Stevie Standard, selected. Now look under your avatar preview. Find the facial animation toggle and switch it off. Now for mobile users, open the Roblox app. Tap on your avatar, then tap Edit Avatar. At the top, look for the button under the head icon. Tap it and select Head Adjustment. Then simply turn off the facial animation switch. And that's it. Your avatar will now have a normal, non-animated face again. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips.